Hi everyone, and welcome to the Free Range Diva. First of all, I want to say welcome because I know I have some new subscribers. I'm very happy to have you here, and I hope that you will get to know me and each other by leaving me comments and asking me questions and things like that. And today I want to talk about a subscription box. It's the Pearlesque subscription box. Now, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I have very sensitive skin. And as a result, I wasn't really a subscription box person because the chances of there being something in the box that I'm going to react to is pretty high, I would think. But having said that, there was one subscription box that I have been following for about a year now. I first heard about it on Cruelty-Free Vegan Beauty. It's Danielle's channel, and she's reviews a lot of subscription boxes, and this one intrigued me because it takes you to a different part of the world every month. It's a monthly, and it's primarily skincare, at least that's what I've noticed so far. So this first box takes us to the island of Hawaii, and there are two products in this box. The company is called Honua Skincare, and the two products are the Aloha Youth Serum and the Aina mask. There is a card that comes in the box itself that tells you a little bit, well, a lot of it about the product. Honua means earth in the Hawaiian language, and on the website it says that these products are powered by the traditional Hawaiian botanicals. The company is founded by a woman by the name of Kapua Browning, and she is an esthetician. And these first, it has, until recently, had 4 basic products in the line, and they have expanded by adding this mask, which is going to be available February 1st. But if you subscribe to the Pearlesque, we're getting it a little bit early. So let's talk about the serum, because this is kind of the product that got everybody excited. It's the product that got me excited and was the reason that I actually decided to subscribe, because something about Hawaiian botanicals and Hawaiian skincare really agree with my skin. So this youth serum is their anti-aging serum. It's designed to hydrate, smooth. I'm going to be checking my notes, which is why I'm glancing away. Smooth, brighten, tighten, and nourish the skin. There are the botanicals in here have benefits like firming, wrinkle relaxing, anti-inflammatory benefits, healing benefits. So this also is packed with EFAs, with essential fatty acids, with vitamins, and antioxidants. And all of these nutrients, it says on the website, are designed to promote cell regeneration and the production of collagen and elastin. So this is quite the little miracle in a bottle right here. And I'll show you, well, no, before I show you, let me tell you the basic ingredients. It has when you first look at the first 4 ingredients make you think that you're dealing with a toner, not necessarily a serum, or at least a water-based serum, because they're water, coconut water, aloe, and organic rose hydrosol. Then the next 4 ingredients are CO2 extracted plant oils, 4 different ones. And if you saw my Facial Oil 101 video, you'll remember that I spoke in there about CO2 extraction, how it makes the botanicals more powerful and more pure. And so there are several CO2 extracted oils in here, and then the remainder of the ingredients are herbs, botanicals, most of which are organic. So let me just show you what this looks like here. As you can see, it's white, it's milky, it's very thick, it clings, right? But it drops right into the skin very quickly, and it leaves behind, your skin feels very much like velvet. It says a note from the Pearlesque says that makeup artists really like using this as a primer. And I can see that because it does kind of remind me of a silicone primer in the way that your skin feels once it's absorbed. It has a very soft kind of velvet texture to the skin that's left behind. The fragrance here is very light. It has a very sort of native Hawaiian floral fragrance, but it's not overwhelming. I like to say that it kind of reminds you of the misty air after a rain, where you're just getting a hint of the, surrounding flowers. And so I wore this yesterday, and the fragrance did not bother me at all. And so what I thought I would do is, rather than just, like unbox and say, here's the stuff, I want to give you a little bit of information about my first impression, and then I'm going to use these products for a month and come back, and when I get my next subscription box, I will review the items from this subscription box as well as tell you about the items from that subscription box. And I decided to do a 3-month subscription just to see how I like it and to sort of test it out. So if that's cool with you guys, I will do these unboxings for the next 3 months, because I wanted to do them early enough so that, like, this box is sold out, obviously, but the next month's, February's box, which is very exciting, and I'll tell you about that at the end, that's going to be available until February the 4th, I believe, and I'll double check that date. So moving on to the Aina mask. This product is not yet available on the website, as I was saying. It'll be available February 1st. And this mask is designed to detoxify, to heal, and hydrate. It says that this mask was designed to detox congested skin, calm blemishes, and inflammation, while giving skin a little circulation to brighten, tighten, and hydrate for a flawless canvas. It has raw honey. It has taro root in there, which, if you are familiar with Hawaiian cuisine, you know that that's a staple in the diet because it's so nutritious. It also has bamboo charcoal, hibiscus, turmeric, and Hawaiian chili pepper. I'll show you here what this looks like inside. It's a very dark, kind of greenish, grayish color. I don't want to put my hand, well, here, I'll just do this a little bit like so. I can show you a little bit on the skin. It's quite thick in texture. You can see it ain't going anywhere. But it's still creamy and hydrating. I used this mask last night. So because my skin is not particularly congested except for around the nose area and the chin, I only put this on those two, like here, just here and here. And like right now on my hand, I don't feel anything. When I had it on my face last night, I definitely felt it working. I felt the tingling going on. They recommend you leave it on for about 20 minutes. I left it on for about 10 because I didn't want to overdo it. I rinsed it off. It rinses off easily. My skin felt extremely smooth and felt like there was moisture left behind. My skin was definitely not dry or dehydrated at all. So I'm going to see how this goes. But I would say that if you have, if you're dealing with things like acne and clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, that sort of, skin that really needs to be, a good cleaning out, that this product will definitely get you where you want to be. So these two products retail for, the serum is $58 and the mask is $38. So the details of the Pearlesque box are, it retails for $39.95. That includes shipping. You will always get full-size products, no samples, no travel sizes, anything like that. There will be a link below where you can check out the Pearlesque website. And there's also, I'll put a coupon code below as well that will give you $5 off your first box, if you decide to subscribe. You can go month to month and cancel at any time. They give you plenty of notice ahead of time what is going to be in the next box if you follow them on Instagram. So, and they also will send out an email. That's right, I forgot about that. That way, and it's ahead of the date too. If you want to skip or cancel, they give you plenty of notice so you can check out what's coming, and if it's something you're not interested in, you can skip that month, or you can cancel your subscription altogether. Next month, the box is going to South Africa, and the company is Luxe Botanicals. If you are a Neiman Marcus shopper, you may have seen them. If you are really into luxurious, green and ecologically friendly and sound and sustainably harvested skincare, you might also have heard about this company. The box itself, the theme is going to be vitamin C, and so we're getting two products. You're getting the Camu Brightening Serum and the Camu Brightening Mist. So that box is going to be available until February 4th, so if you'd like to sign up, you have plenty of time to do that. And the value of that box is $117. So there is a link below if you're interested in signing up, and I'll also include a coupon code below that will give you $5 off your first box. Oh, and I also want to say that this video is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated, although I wouldn't mind being affiliated with Pearlesque Box. I'm just subscribing. So yes, I'm going to sign off, but if you are interested in Africa and its plant botanicals like marula oil, or if you're interested in a company that pays a fair trade living wage and gives back to the community that harvests its plant botanicals, then you're probably going to love Luxe Botanicals. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know if you like this format, and if you want to see more about the Pearlesque Box, for the next 3 months. Just let me know. You can either let me know in the comments or give this video a thumbs up. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, share it with your social media friends so we can get the word out about a beautiful subscription box and these beautiful products that they're providing. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!